I have two questions. The first one is, when you talked about using the Earth as a detector, or a cross-section of the Earth, that wasn't big enough, what would be big enough? What about a Dyson sphere?
Yeah, well, that of course, it doesn't have to be all that massive. We don't. You can certainly imagine apparatus on a sort of planetary scale, but the orders of the amounts of mass that are involved are always the same order of magnitude. I mean, the amount of heavy elements we have accessible,
Not enough.
maybe a few Earth masses or something of that kind.
My second question was, you used a wonderful phrase saying that there's sort of a conspiracy of nature for us to not detect the graviton. Now, you can't have a conspiracy of one entity. So with whom is nature conspiring?
Yes, I think, I mean, what I have in mind, the point of view of Bohr, which I find still quite attractive, is that so there is really a classical world, and there is a quantum world. And they're both correct, and that there is, mathematically they're quite different, but in terms of possibility of measurement, there's no contradiction. I think that's what I mean by conspiracy, that you may have two different sets of ways of looking at it, what Bohr called complementarity, that you have two different ways of looking at the universe. Both of them are correct, but they can't be seen simultaneously.
So mathematics is nature's co-conspirator.
Yes.
Professor Dyson, thank you very much.